And please welcome to the stage, Caitlin Davis.
G'day, I'm Kate, and I am a thinker. I like to think about stuff, and this comes in handy when I'm, trying to consider like the, most sustainable options in life. But it can also kind of get me in a bit of trouble. I kind of get, paralysed with indecision about what's the right thing to do. This happened in the supermarket the other day. I went in and I was like, yep, organic veggies, definitely better for the planet, use less chemicals, all that. And then I got there and they're wrapped in plastic! Like, what? Anyway, so yeah, useless plastic, useless uses of plastic really shit me. Take straws. Straws suck. You would think that, if we're going to make something that lasts 1,000 years and like literally gets stuck up the nostrils of turtles, you can actually watch that on YouTube. You would think that we would reserve that honour for something truly life-changing. I get it, there are some useful uses of plastic. I for one am truly grateful for plastic bags when it comes to picking up dog poo. But really, like plastic straws, what is the point of them? My friend Jean, she suggested that there's a hygiene aspect to it. Rats piss on soft drink cans in warehouses, so when you put the can to your lips, you're literally drinking rat's piss. Rat's piss. For all we know, that could taste delicious. Or it could be the secret ingredient in a can of Coke. No, but I mean, really. I'm sure that when you are, drinking your beverage through a tube made from petrol and chemicals like DDT, that is totally better for you. Particularly when that straw has probably also been kept in a warehouse at some point. Nah, but yeah. You could just wash the can. But nose piercings for turtles, like totally worth it. So, straws. McDonald's apparently hands out like 95 million straws a day around the world. Yep. That's like 35 billion a year. So like everyone on the planet, going to Macca's 5 times and just chucking away their straw. Which is madness. And that's just Macca's. So like where did this straw addiction come from? And I was thinking about that, as I do. And we get indoctrinated pretty young. We learn the art of drinking from a very early age by sucking through our mother's nipple. As a toddler, you kind of graduate to the sippy cup, which is like, still pretty sucky. In the teens, you're probably getting onto the beer bong, straws. Maybe they're just like the natural progression from breastfeeding. Straws. Where did they come from? I looked it up. Google tells me that they first appeared, grass straws, in ancient Sumer, which is now southern Iraq. And that was for drinking beer, avoiding the chunky bits in fermenting beer. But when you think about it, if there's one drink that you don't get auto-strawed on these days, it's beer. Soft drink, even soft drink with alcohol in it, you get a straw. Beer, no straw. But wouldn't it be better? Wouldn't it be better if instead of being auto-strawed, you got auto-hugged or high-fived or just, auto-celebrated with fireworks and, a marching band and some cheerleaders, a big check of carbon offset credits when you rejected a straw. That would be cool. We could bring back the grass straw. That might be the more sustainable way to go about it. You could call it the paleo straw. That might be a thing for a few weeks. But yeah, don't bring back the chunky beer though. I think you probably do about that. And I don't know if you've noticed, but straws these days, they're even being used to enforce the patriarchy. Woman goes to the bar, orders a round of spirits, gets straws. Man goes to the bar and orders a round of spirits, no straws. But I mean, what is it about straws that makes them feminine? Or what is it about women that makes the barman think, yes, she needs some drinking assistance? Is lipstick on the glass just so terrible so as to warrant the death of turtles and albatross and baby seals? Is it because drinking through a straw looks dainty? Or is it because men just like to watch women sucking on a long cylinder? If you're in a nursing home or in a wheelchair or you've got no hands, straws are probably a legitimate instrument of choice. But they don't need to be made of plastic. I don't think we need to think too hard about it, folks. I think that we can deprive turtles of their nose piercings and, start replacing our straws with hugs and high fives.